Well, hello everyone. It's Frank here again. We're going to take a look at the new Thai villas that have recently been opened. The Thai villas were basically put together by slabs that came in on special trailers. The Thai villas has two entrances to it, to the right side and to the left side. We are going to enter the right side. The Thai villas sit at the intersection of SR 44 and Morse Boulevard on the south side. As you will notice, these houses come in many colors, have their own unique color schemes to these homes. You may take notice that some of these houses will have a 2-car garage or a 2 single-car setup. Some homes have an actual golf cart garage, and some of these houses do not. I think it's because they wanted to give a variety of the way the houses look. That I'm not sure of, but you can always put your golf cart in no matter which home you decide to purchase. And here's the retention pond that's behind that set of homes. What you're looking at there is the on-ramp going over the Chitty Chatty golf cart bridge. This golf cart bridge goes right over SR 44 to the other side of the villages. It took them quite a while to do these bridges, but as you can see, they're quite nice and they light up very pretty at night. People should remember that these golf cart bridges are no cars allowed on them. And for those people who are wondering, these houses will be at least 2 or 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. They do come with lanais built on as well. Some of the lanais will be on the back of the homes or towards the side of the houses. As far as the square footage goes, that I'm not certain of. I would suggest you get onto the Village's website for information, or you can even call them for further details regarding all the specs of these homes. Now let's flip around to the other side of the street. And that right there is the other side of the Thai villas. Now we're taking a look down the entrance street. Here are the street names. It's a nice little street. I like how this looks. It is really a pretty neighborhood. And off to your right there is a few more homes. That dead end right there. And we will continue go towards the front of the entrance. Now I'm not 100% certain on the price ranges, but I believe you'll be looking at $400,000 plus for these homes. I would highly recommend you call the Villages marketing or the sales department of the Villages for further details and correct pricing. And for just a little disclaimer, I am not a sales agent or a realtor, nor do I work for the Villages. I'm just a novelist who likes to show these homes to our viewers. And you'll be seeing the back of the homes on the other side of the Thai villas. As we are exiting the first entrance, we will go to the other side, which would be the left side if you were facing the sign right here. These homes are pretty much going to be the same as the other side. All different various colors. They all have their individual fences. Yes, these homes are rather close to one another, but that is typical of the homes that you will find here in the villages. This side of the Thai villas actually runs going towards Morse Boulevard in the direction that we are heading in now. Most of these homes are still being worked on. Some have been released for sale. I'm sure there are a few pending as we speak. Once all the homes are released for sale, pretty much bet that they will sell pretty fast. They tend to run out of inventory faster than you would think. It seems as though the whole country and everybody around the world is trying to move to the villages. Who doesn't want to live in paradise? We're going to come up on this retention pond and take a look at the other group of houses on the same street as we mosey on towards Morse Boulevard. And we are going to flip around because I did not want to run to the end of that street. Still a lot of dirt, hadn't been cleaned up. Don't want to pick up any nails or screws or any other particular pieces of metal to puncture in my tires. That home right there, as you can see, it has its own walled backyard, if you will, overlooking this little preserve area and retention pond. That house is going to get that view right there. Now we're coming to the end of this little street and we're going to turn right. As we get into more of these homes who still aren't finished at the time that I recorded this tour, most of these homes still have a lot of finishing touches, interior work yet to be done. The end of this street, by the way, is going to be a cul-de-sac, and it does have its own turnabout in the middle of this cul-de-sac. Now, just for a little tidbit of information, the grass is going to be St. Augustine sod, so I would highly suggest you get it treated for cinch bugs. Whether you treat it yourself or you hire a company to treat your yard for you. Now we're going to flip around in this cul-de-sac and head back out towards the exit of the villas. And if our viewers wouldn't mind, please leave a comment as to which one was your favorite color of the house, which one you liked the best, which one you liked the least. I would be curious to know what your thoughts and feedback are. We love to hear from our subscribers and anybody who is watching our videos. This home backs up to some trees, as you can see, some preserved Savannah oaks. This is an effort to preserve some of the natural landscaping within the area. The black fence right there gives it that meadows appearance, which is a theme that the villagers wanted for these areas south of 44. And we're coming up to another larger retention pond, which are pretty. I personally like to see these ponds because it encourages natural wildlife and the beautiful birds to come hang out and do what they do. We're going to turn right and head out back to the entrance of the Thai villas. And I'm going to flip the camera around as we start to head out of the neighborhood. If you are interested, contact the Villages for further details. I realize my voice isn't quite as pretty as my wife's, but I still hope you enjoyed this ride along of the Thai villas. And as always, thank you for watching, and please subscribe, click that like button, and have a great day.